So we just finished shopping at IKEA and we got a lot of great stuff. Can't wait to show it to you. We've got McFit and then right across the street, McDonald's. McDonald's, McFit. You go to McFit after you eat too much at McDonald's. What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa. I remembered to say my name today. Yes! Usually I forget. Today I am so excited to be sharing an IKEA haul with you. If you're new around here, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. We are a minimalist family of 4 who decluttered our entire lives down to 8 suitcases and moved overseas to Europe, which is where we are now. We're in Germany. You might be wondering, why is a minimalist sharing an IKEA haul? It was never ever the plan to live in an empty home with no furniture. So I always knew that I was going to be going to one of my favorite places on earth, IKEA. They say that Disney is the happiest place on earth, but I'm pretty sure it's IKEA. I knew I wanted to go to IKEA to get some affordable home decor on a budget for our new home here. So I cannot wait to share it with you today. If you're interested in learning more about minimalism and want to get more ideas and tips on how to live minimally as a family, please consider subscribing to my channel. We would love you to join our family. Just go down and hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring the bell so that when I go live or share a new video, you'll get a notification right away. Hope to see you around again. Now it is after quarantine. Although IKEA has opened up in Germany, I don't know what it's like in other countries. We have to wear a mask when we go into stores here. Is it like that in your country? Drop me a comment below if you're from a different country and let me know. Shopping with kids during time at IKEA is a special kind of heaven. Anyway, so I'm super duper excited to share everything that we got from IKEA today. The prices might be a little bit different. Everything is going to be in euros.
Unfortunately, I did forget to save all of the receipts, but we were able to look up our records of how much we had spent by looking at the budget, and we were able to figure out that all in all, with everything including the furniture, all the decor pieces, utensils, etc., we spent 2,500 euros.
I recently shared a tour of our modern minimalist living room, which is where I am now. 4 out of the 5 things were from IKEA. That's the couch, the painting on the wall behind me, the rug on the floor. What else? Oh, the pillows. The pillows and the pillowcases were from IKEA. And super big thank you to Vera from Simple Happy Zen, because she told me that I should try putting down some towels because the echoes in our home are really, really bad. So if you've seen that video, let me know if the audio is a little bit better.
Testing, 1, 2.
We will be getting curtains eventually. Right now, it's very, very echoey. Okay, so let's go through some of these things and see what we got from IKEA. The plants are not actually from IKEA. I got these a long time ago on clearance at Target, but I knew when I went to IKEA I wanted a white vase for these plants. I plan to put this in the kitchen somewhere. I'm either going to use this white vase from IKEA, or I also was considering using these baskets, which I love. I had these same baskets back in the States. They're super duper versatile. You can use them all sorts of places. I actually even made like a super cute minimalist snowman that turned back into baskets after the holidays was over. You can put them in the bathroom, you can put them in your living room, you could use them in your craft rooms. Love these. Another thing we got were these seat pads, because we have some very nice modern dining room chairs that are easy to keep clean. Although we are a family of 4, we have over 20 people here in Germany that we're going to be hosting on a regular basis for parties. And my husband was a little bit worried that certain people would find the chairs uncomfortable, especially older relatives. So we got 6 of these Sunia IKEA pillow butt things. And they're super duper clean looking. They're really cute when I put them inside our dining room chairs. I also got this Cog Cart. I'm a big fan of these, and I plan on putting this in my office and using it for probably my camera supplies and office supplies and other things that don't fit in my drawers. I'll tell you something interesting about German homes. Our home here in Germany is over 100 years old, and we do not have closets. We have to use wardrobes or find clever storage solutions. So we invested in some of these baskets. I got the meal prep glass ones for the kitchen. There's a bigger one that's already in use. And then also we got some of the plastic storage baskets for the bathroom and the boys' room and some other areas. This is just something to keep on the counter because we have granite countertops. So when I put down a fruit bowl, for example, on the counter, this helps keep our countertop clean and nice. Speaking of fruit bowls, do you know how powerful a bowl of fruit is? It's so inviting to have a bowl of fruit out on your counter for your kids, for your guests, for anyone. Literally, if you want to sell stuff, just put a bowl of fruit next to the things that you're selling online and it'll sell like hotcakes. I swear, it's weird, but it works. Did I say that I got this from IKEA? This white bowl with the wooden interior was also from IKEA. My boys have been begging me for some cold lemonade since we moved here. So I got this glass pitcher from IKEA, and I was planning on making some lemonade with the lemons from the fruit bowl, but then only to realize that I don't have a strainer yet. My bad. Since we moved here with only 8 suitcases, you can imagine that we didn't bring a lot of kitchen stuff with us. So I didn't have a mixing bowl. I got this really super nice glass mixing bowl from IKEA. And then also hand towels for the kitchen. It came in a rolled up set of 4, and I really like the color and I really like the fabric. So these are gonna get a lot of use. It's funny, for 2 weeks I've been telling my husband, back up off my IKEA stuff because I haven't done a haul video. It's been crazy around here. Okay, and you might think, oh my gosh, she spent so much money at IKEA, but actually buying the things that you need from IKEA saved a lot of money. I got this fine strainer from IKEA for €2.99. And I had gone to a previous place looking around at things. They wanted $19.99 for something that was exactly the same as this. So even though we spent a lot of money at IKEA, it was stuff that we needed, and we saved so much money because the prices there are so good. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this mason jar because since we moved here, I have not had a big lidded jar to make kimchi. My husband is Chinese, but we eat all sorts of cuisines from all over the world, and one of my favorite things to make is kimchi. If you want my kimchi recipe, I'm gonna include it in the link below. Now this is something really interesting that gave me a little bit of culture shock when we moved here. My son started school and they said, okay, we're gonna have a party. Bring plates and cups and forks. And I thought that they were telling me that I was in charge of bringing paper plates, plastic forks and whatnot. So I showed up with a big stack of paper plates and spoons and knives and things. And they're like, no, no, no. So in Germany, they're very eco-conscious, which I love. And every kid for school is supposed to have a plastic small plate, small cutlery, and cup for parties so that you don't have so much paper waste after a kid's party at school. How cool is that? So I got 2 of these for when our cousins visit us, and the cups and the forks and the spoons. And bathroom rug. So this is the rug that we have in our front powder room, which is very, very nice and works with the color scheme. And then we use this one for our kitchen, which if you haven't followed me yet, make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button because I haven't yet shared our kitchen tour and I'm super excited to do that soon. So this one goes in our kitchen. And then you might notice this drying rack because in Germany, most houses don't have a dryer to go along with their washer. Our washer actually has a drying function, but it still doesn't get the clothes completely dry. So we have to hang the clothes to dry using this afterwards, which isn't as bad as it sounds. It's quite fun actually. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention that we also got a Billy bookshelf, which I was 100% intending to do Lone Fox's Rattan on the windows to close it, but then I thought, well, I might want to see the stuff inside, and we also might want to order another one. So I still haven't decided yet.
And that's about it, folks. I am 85% sure I probably forgot some things, but I just cannot figure out what else I might have missed. So hopefully this was a fun haul for you to see.
So that is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this IKEA haul. Make sure to give this video a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel so that we can see each other around more. I can't wait to share more minimalist ideas for you and your family so that you can live happier. See you again soon.